What actually happens when you connect to Wi-Fi? How does your phone know where to send that YouTube request? And how does the internet deliver exactly what you asked for, often in milliseconds? It all traces back to a device you probably never think about: the router. Welcome to Unravel, Technology and Innovation. In this channel, we simplify the world of technology and innovation, so you can understand how it all works, no matter your background. Let's start simple. A router is the unsung hero of your internet connection. It's like a digital post office, directing data to the right destination, ensuring the right letter gets to the right address. But to really understand how it works, you need to know what it's routing. When you open your browser and search something like, "How do routers work?" your device doesn't just know where that information lives. It sends a request in the form of small chunks of data called packets. These packets don't travel through the internet randomly. They need a guide, and that's the router's job. Think of each packet as an envelope. Your request is inside. The router reads the address on the outside and figures out the fastest and most reliable way to get it where it needs to go. It does this using something called an IP address, a unique identifier for every device connected to the internet. Your router keeps track of which device has which IP address locally, and it helps route traffic in and out of your network. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. Most home internet setups involve two key devices: a modem, which connects to your internet service provider, ISP, and brings internet access into your home; a router, which takes that access and distributes it to your devices, wirelessly or via Ethernet cables. Sometimes your modem and router are combined into one box. Other times, they're separate, but the function remains the same. The router acts like air traffic control for all your internet traffic. Let's zoom in a little more. Your router handles inbound and outbound traffic, meaning it both receives data, like a Netflix video stream, and sends data, like your message in a group chat. To do this efficiently, routers maintain a routing table, a constantly updated list of paths the data packets can take. It's like Google Maps for information. And routers don't just route traffic inside your home. Every step your data takes through the internet, from your house to the website's servers, passes through multiple routers, each making forwarding decisions to keep things moving smoothly. This entire system relies on network protocols, especially the Internet Protocol, IP, and Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. IP handles the addressing. TCP makes sure the packets arrive complete and in the correct order. So, when you're watching a video or joining a Zoom call, your router is working behind the scenes, prioritizing traffic, managing congestion, preventing security risks, and sometimes even blocking access to certain sites, if configured to do so. And speaking of security, your router is also your first line of defense against online threats. Most routers come with built-in firewalls, which monitor incoming data and block suspicious traffic. Some advanced routers even offer encryption, parental controls, or threat detection. But here's something you might not know. Routers need updates. Just like your phone or laptop, routers run software, called firmware, that sometimes has bugs or security vulnerabilities. Regular updates fix those issues and help keep your network secure. Another thing people often overlook: your router's password. If you're still using the factory default login, you're leaving your network wide open. Change it, strengthen it, and don't reuse passwords across devices. Now, let's talk performance. You've probably seen routers with antennas, dual bands, or labeled as Wi-Fi 6 or 7. These features affect how fast, stable, and wide-reaching your wireless signal is. Here's a quick breakdown. Dual-band routers offer two frequencies, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for better traffic distribution. Wi-Fi 7 is the latest standard, offering faster speeds, better performance in crowded areas, and more energy-efficient connections. Mesh routers are a newer solution for larger spaces, spreading signal across multiple nodes so you don't lose speed in dead zones. And if you're gaming, streaming in 4K, or running a smart home, the type of router you use matters more than you might think. But routers aren't just for homes. In offices, data centers, and across the globe, massive enterprise-grade routers manage entire highways of internet traffic. Some ISPs even rely on core routers, the backbone of the entire internet, to handle millions of simultaneous connections. So, what's the takeaway? Routers are more than just blinking boxes in a corner. They're the digital postmasters of the internet, sorting, forwarding, securing, and optimizing every byte of information we send and receive. The next time you buffer a video or load a website, remember, a little device in your home is working tirelessly to make that possible. Have a topic you're curious about? Let us know in the comments, and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. As we continue to unravel the world of technology and innovation, one concept at a time.